Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make user admin Windows 11. We are going to enter users in the search box. Open, add, edit, or remove other users on this device. Here, click on Add Account. After this, click on the line I don't have this person's sign-in information. Now click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the user data, their password, and security questions. Click on Next to create this user. You can see that it is a local user. Then click on this new account and choose the option Change Account Type. In the drop-down window, select Administrator, click on OK, and now this account will have administrator permissions. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.